this, if we need to multiply of the multiplication of the two matrices, suppose there is matrix A whose order is 1 into 1 having only one element, and there is matrix B having two elements and the order of this matrix is 1 into 2. So, the first condition, the two matrix we can able to multiply the two matrix. The condition is that the row, the column of the matrix first and the rows of this matrix must be same. Then in that, only in that case we are able to multiply the two matrix. So, this is the condition for multiplication of the two matrices. This, the column of this and row of this must be same. In that case it is only multiplicable, right? Now, to multiply the matrix A with matrix B, so I need to write here A11 this matrix, and I need to write this second matrix here B11 and B12, right? So, now what we need to do, how to multiply this matrix A with B. So, you have to take this row of this matrix, suppose it is having the single row, and multiplied with the column of this matrix. The row of the first matrix multiplied with the column of the second matrix. So, A11 multiplied with B11, this is the element. Second, row 1 of the first matrix multiplied with row 2 of the second matrix. So, it is A11 and B12. So, this is the new matrix, and the order of the new matrix is, if the order of matrix A is 1 into 1 and if the order of matrix B is 1 into 2. So, the condition for multiplication, this must be same, and the order of the new matrix is 1 into 2. So, from here we can find out the order. So, order is 1 into 2, right. So, let me explain this with the help of the number, with the help of the example. Suppose matrix A is having the number 2 and matrix B is having the number 3 and 4. So, these are the two elements in this matrix. So, if you need to multiply matrix A with B, so what you should do, these 2 multiply with 3 and 4. So, first of all, this 2 multiplied with this 3. So, answer is 3 2s are 2 into 3, 6. Then this 2 multiplied with this 4, 2 into 4. So, this is the new matrix having element 6, 8, and the order of this new matrix is 1 into 2. I hope this thing is little bit clear to you now.